Hi everyone, it's Cheri from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today I'm bringing this slimline card called Oh Rats from Treasure Box Designs. And I'm showing that black glitter cardstock and the pink glitter cardstock. The reason I showed those two in the beginning was so I had a mental note not to forget. I did originally cut out the black letters in smooth black cardstock, but when I was digging in my drawer for pink glitter cardstock for the nose, I seen the black and I ended up recutting out all my letters and the nose in those glitter cardstocks, and it ended up making the finished card look perfect. So this card is from Treasure Box Designs. Like I said, it is called Slim Card Oh Rats. I imported it into Cricut Design Space with a width of 13.5 and a height of 13.591. My finished card is 8¼ inches tall by 3½ inches wide. Now all of my supplies did come from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop except for this tape that's double-sided stick tape. I had that in my drawer and I believe I got it from Hobby Lobby. I just didn't want to fuss with all the glue because of the holes. I was a little afraid of it coming through because sometimes I'm heavy-handed with the glue. And also because art glitter glue dries very fast, and so does Barely Art glue. They're both great with a permanent bond. But I was afraid that if I was off center, which I am going to be, that I wasn't going to be able to shift it or move it to recenter it. And as you see, my purpose of not using glue, that was exactly what I was afraid was going to happen. So my base card, the green, is the color Parsley by Encore. I am really loving the Encore paper. It cuts so wonderful, especially pointy edges of cardstock. If you guys notice, sometimes those pointy edges will fray and you either have to trim them or glue them and squish them back together. I have that happen very rarely with the Encore paper. And I'm slowly transitioning my American Crafts over to Encore. One, because of cost, but two, because it does cut out and the colors are a lot more vibrant. So there you're seeing the black glitter cardstock, which really just gave me that extra oomph I was looking for the card. And the reason for the card is because we always forget somebody's birthday. You might remember to call them, but I can't tell you how many times I have forgotten to mail the card out or even buy it. So at least now I can make a couple of these and throw them in a drawer and mail them out after the fact and not feel that bad because it is handcrafted, so I can always use the excuse. It just took me a little bit longer to make it. So that orange is Apricot by American Crafts. I did use a lighter orange by Encore, but it wasn't giving me the pop I was looking for. And I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I'll cut out a piece, it looks good in my head, but then when I dry piece it together, it's not giving me what I was looking for. So now I do cut the newer pieces out that I want, but I don't throw away my old pieces. I save them, either to blend out my chalk or to cut them and give some supportive backing to a piece that I've created. That yellow is the color Lemon Twist, and it is by Encore. The white is Smooth White Cardstock by American Crafts. I did use that for the bases for the letters and also the eyes, and I used smooth black on the eyes. I did use my Cricut pen and foam tape to pop that up and to write the letters. You can just pick any letters in the Cricut Design Space or Silhouette, whichever cutting program you use. The gray card stack is the color Ash by American Crafts. I do trace my eyes on and go around it with chalk, pan pastel chalk, just to kind of make them stand out a little bit. And once I get the eyes traced on and I highlight them, I go ahead and glue the eyes on afterwards, as you saw, and the nose. There are several options for the whiskers. You can use fishing line. I do tend to use a lot of string, and I run it through Nuvo clear drops in the color Morning Dew or in clear nail polish. That way it just gives them more firmness so they're not flopping all over. This card went together so fast that I was afraid I wasn't going to have time to go over all the colors. The eyes are cut out in blue topaz by Encore. The pink ear pads are in the color pink champagne by Encore. And I can answer any questions you have. Go ahead and leave a message, but go ahead and just jot a note or cut out a clear white piece of paper and stick it inside, and there's your card. Take care, guys.